Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Phani. In this video, we can talk about absolute value. Absolute value of a number is the distance from zero. If you want to measure the distance from 0 to 5, we can write absolute value of 5 within two absolute value bar, which is equal to 5, because distance cannot be negative, so the absolute value is positive. The distance from -5 to 0 can be written as -5 within a absolute value bar, which is positive because distance is positive. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Solving absolute value equations and inequalities with a greater than 0. Absolute value of x equal to a is equivalent to x equal to a or x equal to minus a. Absolute value of x less than a is equivalent to minus a less than x and x less than a. Absolute value of x greater than a is equivalent to x less than minus a or x greater than a. Absolute value of x equal to absolute value of y. Then solve x equal to y or x equal to minus y. By using this absolute value properties, let us solve absolute value equation and inequation. Absolute value equation. Absolute value of 5w plus 3 equal to 7. Now inside the absolute value bar, the expression 5w plus 3, if we change this expression with x, then we can write absolute value of x equal to 7. By using the properties of absolute value equation, which is if absolute value of x equal to a, then x equal to a or x equal to minus a. So x equal to 7 or x equal to minus 7. Substituting back the value of x, which is the given expression 5w plus 3 we have 5w plus 3 equal to 7 or 5w plus 3 equal to minus 7. Solving 5w plus 3 equal to 7, subtract 3 from both sides, we get 5w equal to 4, divide 5 both sides of the equation, we get w equal to 4 over 5. Let us solve the second equation. 5w plus 3 equal to minus 7. Subtract 3 from both sides. We have 5w equal to minus 10. Divide 5 both sides. We have w equal to minus 2. Solve the absolute value in equation. Absolute value of m minus 6 less than 2. Look at the absolute value properties. The absolute value of x less than a, which is equivalent to minus a less than x and x less than a. By using the properties of absolute value, m minus 6 less than 2 is equivalent to minus 2 less than m minus 6 and m minus 6 less than 2. Solving the inequality, compound inequality, add 6 to all the three parts and simplifying, we have 4 less than m and m less than 8. So the solution set is 4 and 8, which is in the parenthesis. That means the solution set from 4 to 8 on the number line, which is shown in the graph. Solve for y. Absolute value of y minus 3 greater than 7. Look at the properties of absolute value. Absolute value of x greater than a is equivalent to x less than minus a or x greater than a. By using the property of absolute value y minus 3 greater than 7 is equivalent to y minus 3 less than minus 7 or y minus 3 greater than 7. Solving the two in compound inequality, y minus 7 3 less than minus 7, or y minus 3 greater than 7. Adding 3 both sides of the inequality, we have y less than minus 4, and the second equation, adding 3 both sides of the inequalities, we have y greater than 10. So the solution set is minus infinity to minus 4 union 10 to infinity. Look at the solution graph. The left part is y less than minus 4 and the right part is y greater than 10. Solve absolute value x minus 3 equal to absolute value of 5 minus x. Look at the absolute value property. Absolute value of x equal to absolute value of y. Then solve x equal to y or x equal to minus y. Using the absolute value property, x minus 3 equal to 5 minus x, or x minus 3 equal to minus of 5 minus x. By solving the two equations, the first equation will get x equal to 4, adding x to both sides of the equation, we'll get 2x minus 3 equal to 5. Adding 3 both sides, we'll get 2x equal to 8. Divide 2 to the both sides of the equation, we'll get x equal to 4. Let us find the solution for the second equation. X minus 3 equal to minus of 5 minus x. So x minus 3 equal to minus 5 plus x. Subtracting x from both sides, we have minus 3 equal to minus 5, which is false statement. When an equation simplifies to a false statement, the equation has no solution. Thus the second equation has no solution because it simplifies to a false statement. So the solution for the absolute value equation is x equal to 4. Thank you.